Hey, how you doing? Pat here. I just thought I'd show you some random Texas sights. I am on my way to Fort Davis right now. Jesus, that wind something. Holy moly. It'll never show up, but there's an observatory up there. Wow. I'm getting plummeted by the wind. Holy three holies, Batman. This is Texas 118 North right now. The same road that we took down to Study Butte, where I was staying. McDonald Observatory is the name of this place up here. I don't know if you're allowed to go up to it or not, but we're going to at least get as close as they'll let us. I know I have a friend of mine back home that would love that. He's got a really cool setup to take nighttime pictures of the sky. Post some amazing pictures on Facebook from time to time. He needs to come out here. Getting closer, it might actually show up on camera now. There's something on that hill over there too. I thought I was read there was 2 different observatories in this area, but I could be wrong. Well, if you're in the mood to play on twisties, this is the road for you. An observatory, and there's one, so maybe that's why I was thinking there was 2. Heck, just the ride up here alone's been worth it. Temperatures have stayed down, actually a little bit on the cool side. Watch, this corner could be gravel. Thankfully the inside line is clear. Easter Saturday of 25, whatever day that is, I think the 19th. It's closed for whatever reason, so there's really nobody here. You can't see or do anything. I mean, I'm glad I came and saw it, but hey, whatever. We should get a better view of it now. Say one thing for Texas, it's pretty cool about setting up a lot of picnic areas like that. Jefferson Davis County Jail. That's pretty cool, built around 1910.